Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy meringue cookies. First, gather your ingredients: fresh egg whites, granulated sugar, and a small amount of cream of tartar. It's crucial that all your equipment, especially your mixing bowl and whisk, are perfectly clean and free of any grease. This ensures your meringue will whip up beautifully. Also, preheat your oven to a very low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, before you begin. Now let's get whipping. Start by beating your egg whites until they reach the soft peak stage. This is when they hold their shape but the tip flops over. Gradually add your granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat. Keep whipping until the meringue is shiny, smooth, and forms stiff, firm peaks that stand straight up. Finally, gently fold in any flavorings you like, such as a teaspoon of vanilla extract. With your perfect meringue ready, it's time to pipe. Use a pastry bag fitted with your favorite tip to pipe small, uniform cookies onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Bake them in your preheated oven for approximately 1 hour. After 1 hour, turn off the oven completely but leave the meringues inside. Let them cool slowly for several hours, or even overnight, to ensure they dry out and become crisp. Once your meringue cookies are completely cool and crisp, they are ready to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their delicate texture. When stored correctly, these delicious treats can stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. They're perfect for a light dessert or a sweet snack. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.